Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is a course overview for low-level design course. In this course, first of all, let me tell you what this course is about. In this course, we will go through a lot of low-level design problems. I'll explain that in each problem I'll explain in, of course, very detail, and we'll also, of course, discuss about the class diagram and the component used to solve the problem, and we'll try to implement one or two design patterns in there. We won't force it, we'll only use the design pattern which fits naturally into the problem statement, because that is what the interviewer is also expecting. All right. My bad. So this is basically your preparation for uh, design pattern interviews. My bad. Low level design interviews, right? So let's see, as part of this course, what things are we are going to cover. All right, so let's get started. So let's start and take a look at the problem statements that we are going to solve, the problem that we are going to solve. All right, so let's start with this, the easy one. I have divided the whole things in multiple chunks, multiple categories: easy, medium, and hard, based on the complexities of the implementation, the interaction of multiple classes, the of course count of classes, right? Based on that, I have divided the design problems into multiple categories. Let's start with the easy ones. So we'll cover in the, as part of easy, we'll develop uh, a parking lot, we'll design vending machine, coffee machine, logging framework, traffic signal system, stack overflow, of course, the basic version, task management system like Jira and all, right? Notification system. So we are going to cover these as part of easy category, right? These are the design problems that we have with us. So we'll solve these. Now let's take a look at the medium level problems. We'll learn LRU cache, least recently used cache, right? ATM, elevator system, car rental system, basically parking lot kind of thing. Oh no, no, not parking lot. This is car rental system, so you can rent out the cars, right? And of course, library management system, hotel management system, restaurant management system, online auction, pub search system, publisher subscriber system, and rate limiter. One of the most important thing, rate limiter. This is actually used in industry. URL shortener, of course, file system, digital wallet, tic-tac-toe. Yeah, these are, like, how many are there? 5, 10, 14. 14 design problems we'll cover as part of medium problems, right? And again, as I said, I had divided based on certain priorities, and also these things we'll learn in much more depth and detail, so that you have all the questions, all you have got all the questions answered before you go into an LLD interview. So let's take a look at the hard problems. Splitwise, of course, in my personal experience, have been asked twice in Amazon interview. Chess game, snack and ladder, quick info, ride sharing system like Uber, movie ticket booking system, very important. All of these, I mean, here were the thing. In almost all of the design problems, you have to take care of the quality of the code, right? You have to follow the solid principles, one or two design patterns, and along with that, one very important part that all the interviewers expect you to be aware of and implement is that uh, how your system handles multiple threads, right? So we have to keep in mind that also, right? So movie ticket booking system, online shopping system like Amazon, food delivery system, payment gateway, music streaming service, right? Uh, Stock brokerage system, course registration system, chat application. That is, as part of hard problems, we are covering 5, 10, 13 problems, right? So yeah, this is the thing that we are going to learn as part of low level design course, right? So yeah, let's get started. Soon I'll upload the lectures also. And of course, we are going to implement all of this in Java, my preferred language. And if you have any suggestion or any suggestion regarding the course or the problems that we have picked, or your personal experience, that in my personal experience this question was asked, so that I can include that also, that you're more than welcome, and I'll be happy to take a look at that. And of course, post it down in the comment section, your opinion also, right? So everything you can post it down in the comment section. I'll take a look at that and take it very seriously, of course. Yeah. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.